How to transfer money to DoorDash Crimson. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can transfer money to DoorDash Crimson. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your application and after that, make sure that you're logged in. Now head towards the earning tab. From there, tap on DoorDash Crimson to enter your Crimson dashboard. After that, get your account details such as your account details or your routing number and your account number. Tap on account details. You will see your account number and routing number. That is what you need to send money to Crimson. Copy the number. Now you have to head over to other bank account. That may be your Chase, Wells Fargo or Cash App. Then you have to set up a new transfer using your Crimson routing and then account number. You can either choose ACH transfer, bill pay or direct deposit. Now once you do that, you could use the added payment method for the transfer funds. Once the money arrives in Crimson, you can use your virtual or physical Crimson card to spend online or in the store. You could also transfer funds out to your personal account, which will usually takes 24 hours. So that's it. Now you know how to transfer money to your DoorDash Crimson. That's it and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.